My name's Cara Fagan and I'm from Coonamble in New South Wales. I've seen the program in previous years and I've always thought it looked really good, so I thought, oh, now's the right time, so I'll apply, and I'm so glad I did. I think it's really important to be in a group of like-minded people, because then you can build your ideas on each other, and that you'll find that there's always a lot more growth and strength in a team. From GenAngus, I think the first thing that I will take home and implement will be the branding strategy. I've gotten a lot out of the marketing, social media and branding sessions. I would encourage anyone to apply for GenAngus for next year. I think it's been a really great few days. I'm very lucky, and just the knowledge and the wisdom that you're exposed to and the networks that you make are really valuable. So I would encourage anyone who's got an interest in the beef industry and sees that as their future to apply for GenAngus.